model, 70-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3h2 Enterprise Blue 2.2 HDIS, S starts runs engine knocking no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,497. MOT, the 26th of April 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,395 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.